Alright, you guys, so I'm sitting at the table right now editing my video, and my intro clip didn't even get recorded. I don't know what happened to the camera, so I apologize for the intro. But once again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel and enjoy the video. Like I was saying, my camera cut out. Yes, I am active duty Marine Corps. I do that for a living. I love my job. What's today? Oh yeah, Veterans Day. So once again, happy Veterans Day to all you veterans out there. It don't matter if you're from America, Canada, Mexico, wherever. If you served your country, hey, you're still a veteran in my eyes. And once again, gotta say, happy Veterans Day to all you guys out there. I know we got a good veteran following on my channel. So to all of you, airmen, sailors, soldiers, Marines, what's the last one? Coast Guards, all right, Homeland Security, I salute you. Thank you very much. So on to today's video, all right. So what we're gonna be doing is a really quick video. I wanted to do it. I think it's a perfect video for today because time changed, you guys, and that is one of the main reasons why I have not been filming a lot. Time change it completely screwed my lighting. So now when I get off work, it's about 5 o'clock when I get home. Sun's already setting right now. Last light's about 5:45. So I don't have a lot of light to work with. So either that means I'm gonna have to start making videos in the garage with some lights and stuff, or I gotta film like when I can with light, natural daylight and whatnot. So that's one thing. I also have right now. I'm using a new. It's like a camera tripod-y thingy, but pretty much I can get that wide angle lens shot, which is kind of cool. So thumbs up if you like that view, because before it used to be like this, all close. Now I can come out like this and you can still see around me, you can hear me. I can actually use the camera features more for what it was set up for. So what we're doing today is a company, if you guys didn't know, a lot of you do know, a company named LASFIT LED Lighting sent me out some fog lights, new style fog lights they've been working on, sent me some out to make a review on. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys what the current fog light setup looks like, and I'm going to swap them out, which takes like not even 5 minutes, and we're going to put on the new LED fog lights, and then we're going to see how bright those suckers are. I know they're going to be bright because I run LASFIT in my Impala, and I run it in the third gen. About to run it, start running them in my wife's Jeep. I think she has like an 18 Grand Cherokee. Yeah, it's an 18. I know it's gonna be good. So right now, you guys can see right here, we got fog light bulbs. Okay. Part number, I don't see one. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, let's see if we can get focus to work. Probably won't. But anyways, it's a 906 9006 HB4, and that's going to be your LED bulb size, HB4 906. Okay, I'm pretty sure, yeah, because I believe the factory bulb size for low beams is like a H13 if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna swap these bad boys out real quick. If you don't know how to change your fog lights, super simple. You just get underneath there, twist it, pull out, and that's it. So let's go ahead. Let me show you. I gotta grab my keys. I'm gonna show you guys what the lights look like currently. Get my hand out the way. Show you guys what the lights look like currently, and then we're gonna go ahead and swap. So you can see, this is what the LED bulbs I currently have look like. I'm sorry, you guys. I know it's weird, but I can't turn my headlights off without my fog lights being on. So pretty much with these style headlights, the only way I can run them is whenever, it's long story short, I don't get like the park lights. So when I turn on my lights, they all come on. I can turn on and off my fog lights, but I can't turn off my headlights. So it's either on or not on, you know what I'm saying? So you guys can see, now these ones I have currently are pretty bright. They're not, by no means are they cheap and crappy, but I know for a fact that the LASFIT ones are going to probably be better, and it's actually good timing right now because the sun's setting. So I'm going to go ahead and swap these out and get these new ones installed for you guys. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I got the fog lights installed. Now one thing I do like about these ones is that, if you can see, they have a cooling fin unit on the back of them. My other ones don't have that. The other ones I believe were aux beam fog lights. They didn't have that. These have like a little cooling fan unit on the back, so you never have to worry about them overheating. On top of that, my low beam lights are set up the same way, and never had any issues with them whatsoever. Same thing on this side. You know, you just turn left, pull out, unplug it, and then put the new one in, turn it in, and then clip it in, and that's it. Super simple job. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys set up and show you what these lights look like, okay? That is freaking bright. Whoa, you guys, are y'all seeing this right now, or is it just me? Like I said, that's way brighter. Oh yeah, that's 100% brighter than oh, my left one's not working. Oh no, we gotta get that figured out. But that left one though, that's it right there. Oh yes. All right, let me figure out why this right one's being like that, and then we'll right. So we went ahead and got it situated. So if you didn't know, LEDs are, I guess, polarized, positive and negative. So if you ever have an LED that won't power up when you're I guess installing it, unplug it, flip it, and usually nine times out of 10 that is going to get it working. Okay, right off the bat, you guys, I can definitely tell there is a difference in bright. My camera just went like black, but there is definitely like this area here. I know you guys can't barely see my hand. It's way brighter and it's clean, because there was an offset with my aux beam fog lights versus the LASFIT ones, but now they match up like 100%. So that's pretty dope. Alright, so I wanted to give you guys a nighttime effect, natural light. Well, not natural light, but the camera was dark. That way you can see what it looked like at that, when it was dark. But now you can also see what it looks like to me right now in person. So right now, the way it looks on camera is the way it looks to me in person. I know there's like, this is all blurry and stuff, but it's really bright. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. Wow. And once again, you guys, LASFIT. Hey, for anybody who says LED lights aren't bright, I don't know what you're talking about, but that is definitely a lie. I've been using LED lights all over the truck, and I mean, shit, my little cheap 4th gen mirrors I got off eBay, the little LED photo light still works. The little cheap Chinese little light, and it still works. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely legit. LASFIT. Thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. This is legit. So nice. It's so clean, man. I love me that white, clean, like snow light. I don't like the hint with the blue. I don't like I like pure white, like cocaine, man. And this is it right here. Freaking beautiful, man. Oh my goodness. And then if you guys were curious, my junky aux beam, sorry, flash the camera. My junky aux beam fog lights suck. I actually got mad breaking them. They didn't suck. Let me stop. It was bright. They were bright, but they weren't bright like that. That's some new level shit right there. These were good. They did their job. I did get mad when I was taking them out because they didn't want to come out. So I ended up snapping them off when I was taking them out. So when you're taking your old fog lights out, don't get mad, or you're gonna snap them like I did. So these are junk now. On another note, and see, you guys, it's dark now. Like, filming right now sucks. I mean, that is a nice sunset, but still, filming right now sucks. So here we have something real quick, and I'm only going to show you guys this part right here. You ready? Ta-da! What y'all think? Now, I ain't going to talk about this puppy tonight. I'm going to talk about this in another video, but we do have another turbo. You guys are probably like, Cam, you just did the 464, then you had the 467. Well, if you guys didn't know, let me go inside where we can get some good lighting, y'all. That is beautiful. Hopefully the camera, yeah, you guys can see me good. So, rewind it on my turbo scenario. So, if you guys didn't know, probably about a month and a half ago, we put a Smedden diesel sorry, we put a Smedden diesel 464 turbo on the truck. It was the base Smedden entry 464 level turbo. We just wanted to see what the spool would be like and see comparing it to a 467. After that, I took that off, sent that somewhere to get some stuff done, and then we put the old 467 back on because I just missed it so much. There's no substitute for hitting 50 psi when you lay into your truck. So I put the 467 back on, still got stock fuel, and then we have the new turbo. I'm not going to tell you guys the size. You are more than welcome to comment down below. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Comment down below and tell me what size turbo you think it is, and I want you to tell me what you think what the plan of the setup would be in terms of turbo size, fuel size, because, well, actually I'm gonna stop there because I'm giving away too much info. But yeah, so that's it, man. Once again, LASFIT, thank you guys so much for sending this product out to me. Highly recommend. I'm actually going to try to get a promo code for you guys to get maybe 5% off, 10% off if you order these LED bulbs within a certain amount of time. Everybody asks me on Instagram, yo Cam, who do you have for your LED bulbs? Who do you like? What do you run, man? And I tell everybody the same thing, man. I'm telling you, LASFIT LED lighting. You can message my headlights turned off on the truck. You can message them on Instagram and be like, hey, everything Diesel sent me, I just need some nice low beam bulbs, high beam bulbs. They have every bulb you can think of. Interior bulb, fog lights, headlights, low beam, high beam, reverse light, tailplate light, any light you need they have, and it's so affordable. I believe you can get a set of fog light bulbs for probably around like 25, 20 bucks online. If you go on Amazon, you can also get the kit where it comes with the high beam, low beam, and fog lights, or depending on what you want to do, low beam, fog lights. They have all sorts of stuff. Really awesome, really good quality stuff. They do all of this stuff here in America too. They're not outsourced or, you know, some third world place, something like that. Okay, so you guys, think about going to the car wash right now to rinse off the truck because she's filthy, and we can see what the lighting looks like inside the truck driving. So I was gonna end the video now, but I haven't made a video in a minute, and I'm having fun filming right now. So we're gonna go ahead, clean up the area, get in the Cummins, and then we're gonna head to the car wash. All right. Alright, you guys, I don't know if you saw that video. Well, I'm sure you did see it, but my wife went ahead and recorded us backing out, you guys, and I mean, this is freaking legit. Y'all see that? How that road look? You see the moon up there? It's lighting up the whole damn street. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, so I know it's a little dark, you can't see me, but we're gonna go ahead and, oh, okay. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna drive down the street, let you guys just see what it looks like. It's super bright and awesome. And we're on the way to the car wash too, so we're gonna rinse off old girl. And then, yeah, that's it really, all right? All right, you guys, so this is the inside view of inside my truck, what it looks like, lit. Fog lights on, fog lights off. Fog lights on, fog lights off. This is the outside view, on or off. On. Huge difference, you guys. The LASFIT LED headlight bulbs are really bright in themselves, but it's even brighter with them fog lights on, and I freaking love it. Oh, I hit a pothole, and I love it. You guys know, if you live out, you know, small towns, country roads and stuff, it can get real dark. And I mean, it's kind of like that right now, except, you know, we got some lights and stuff over here, but there's some roads where it gets real dark. It looks really good though on the inside, so I'm digging it for sure. So we're gonna be driving, going to the car wash now. Just wanted to let you guys see it. Once I get there, we'll go ahead and rinse down old girl and go from there, all right? So the Cummins is super filthy right now, you guys. I went hunting last couple days. I haven't washed my truck since the road trip. I'm actually gonna wash it tomorrow, but to help make it easier tomorrow when I wash it, that way I don't have mud in my driveway, come here to the car wash and I can rinse it off here. All right. Also, I'm gonna be trying out this. Shout out to Ryan Mayer 67 Lime. I saw this. He used this in one of his videos. This Voodoo Ride wheel cleaner. I just want to test it out and see how it works. So I'm gonna spray that on the wheels and then come over here, put the money in the machine, and then rinse this bad boy down. All right. Is a wrap. So that stuff worked pretty good, man. All I did was, I mean, it's still dirty. You know, it still needs to get wiped down, but I just sprayed it on there and you got it looking 60, about 70, 80% clean just from spraying that stuff on. I wouldn't give you an honest review of it because I really haven't used it, so. But it was cool to see the purple foam come out. But the old girl's rinsed down for now until tomorrow. It's gonna make it a lot easier to wash it. Because as you guys know, she is ceramic coated. I mean, this shit it flies off. Water flies off of it right now. It's hard to tell right now because it's dirty. But once it's clean, man, and if it rains, oh my goodness. All you gotta do is drive and it all goes away. So that's a wrap. And we're gonna have to go ahead, repaint the grill. Probably gonna be changing this up to white instead of it being black because of future plans with the truck. But yeah, so that's gonna do it, you guys. All right, so once again, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up because it helps me out a lot, and you guys know I'm grateful for it. Thank you for checking out the video. If you made it this far, please comment down below about what turbo size you believe the turbo is and what do you think the plans are with that turbo. Like always, you guys know I always read all the comments, so thank you guys so much. So until next time, thank you guys for checking out the channel. Y'all have a good week. Happy Veterans Day.